How's it going, guys? My name is Garrett, and welcome back to another C# studs tutorial. We are once again talking about variables and math operators. This is kind of the second video in that series. And also, once again, David can't be here. He's tending to his grandma, who still, in fact, has rabies. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be talking about math operators today. These aren't all the math operators that are used in C#. Excuse me, but these are the most common ones. So first of all, we have addition, which is denoted by the plus sign. And also a good note, this can be used to concatenate strings. What that means is you can put one string inside of another string and kind of combine them into one giant string. That's helpful in setting text properties of labels and so forth and so on. Also, we have subtraction, which is the classic minus sign, multiplication, which is the asterisk, and division, which is that buddy right there. So let's go ahead and test all these. I already have this set up. Basically, what it's going to do is set the labels text that I have on my form here to whatever we have in here, and we also need of course, the classic .toString, because what we have in here is an integer. And so we need to convert that to a string in order to store it in a text, because the text only accepts a string. So let's go ahead and run this. It should pop out 18. Very good. And now let's try it with a subtraction. Let's do 10 minus 1. 9. Very good. Now let's do a multiplication just to test that out. 9 times 8. 72. Very good. And now let's do a division. So let's do 20 divided by 5. Should be 4. Also, another cool note is if you do 21 divided by 5, it's still going to pop out 4. Why is that? It's because it rounds down to the nearest integer. So if I do 22 divided by 5, it's still going to be 4. If I do 23 divided by 5, it's still going to be 4, and so on and so forth. So basically what it does is it drops the decimal because it simply can't handle that. Alright, and we got 2 more. These are very common. Let's just say you're trying to use, like, I don't know, like a triangle expression. If you use Pythagorean theorem, you have a math.pow, which sets the first number to the power of the second number, or math.square root, which takes the square root of the number given. So let's go ahead and test these out. Math.pow. This actually accepts a double. So we're going to do, let's just do 2 to the third power. Should be 8. Very good. And same thing, we could do math.square root. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Math.squirt. And then the double that you want to take the square root of. So let's go with 16. Not bad, neither here. Very good. Anyways, that kind of wraps things up. So you got those 4: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and math.pow, math.square root. All those are very useful. All those are very common. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to drop us a like, subscribe. We're trying to add a video every day on here to keep our teacher happy. And so thank you very much. Have a great day.